Over here we have the Gazer portioner machine, the model PNT-120. This is the setup of how it should look like once you have the machine at your facility. In this model here in our shop today, this machine you can get it tabletop version. You can get just this part here. The stand that you see with the machine comes with the machine and is a very sturdy machine. And this part over here, the conveyor, is optional, although it's totally recommended to get it with the machine so that it doesn't hurt the employee's back. As you can see, it tilts up to the height that you would like. It is adjustable. You see the adjustable arm there, rod, that you can adjust the height. And the height of the machine over here towards the back, it is also adjustable. Here are the levers and the adjustable feet, as you can see there, and you can adjust to the height level of your grinder. Okay, there's also the paper feed there that we've installed for display. What I'm going to do now is lift the hood so that you can see what it looks like. Okay, you can see the knife. It's a very nice, clean machine. Easy to operate for your portioning block and all your portioning needs. As you can see from our website, you have your speed control, your on and off switch, your emergency switch, and your automatic and manual. You have the plug here that works with the conveyor belt. So this conveyor belt plugs into there. Again, it is an optional item, but totally recommended. And you also have the main plug here, which this plug is also connects to the mixer grinder that works with this machine. So that particular plug works with the machine. This machine that you can see here is not a. It can work with other meat grinders as well. Just so you know, it does require air. And right now I'm going to show you just a little tip on the paper roller. When you go to remove it, just keep an eye on the O-ring. So this little O-ring here, just keep an eye when you're removing it, just in case you lose one. There are some extra ones on the rod here on the other side. So just keep an eye that you don't lose those O-rings. If you do, you can get it in any local shop, hardware store, for the extra O-rings, or you can always order from us. Okay, so this is the machine here that works with the Gazer mixer grinder that we have. It is a very good, high capacity, fully functional, full stainless steel machine, ready to go. Here's a blade, clean, excellent workmanship, heavy duty model portioning device. Here we're showing how to dismantle the machine for cleaning, and also the way that we are dismantling the machine is the same way that you would put it on. Just basically do the reverse. When you're tightening the nuts, make sure that you're tightening them equally balanced so that not one side pushes more to the other. Disconnect the conveyor belt from the machine. Unscrew the arm and the knob to remove the conveyor belt. Removing the roll of paper. Removing the meat brick or free flow shaper. This here, what we're showing, is for cleaning. Remove the knobs. When you want to wash, you remove the panel from the bottom for washing. And you can also remove the belts if necessary. You can just hose it down.
Make sure that one is in the front.
Make sure that the way that the little key holes here, the way it's facing, it faces towards the front as you see here on the belt. Same way you take it out is the same way you put it on. You can wash the belt like that separately and then wash the machine down that way. Same thing here, removing the belt from the back. There's the little pin, and then after you remove the belt through there, and same scenario, keep an eye on the way the belt is facing, so that way you put it in the same position. And now removing the blade for washing, you want to disconnect the pump that way, like that. Release the knobs here, and here we're showing you how to remove the blade for further washing the machine. Very simple. Okay, now putting it back on really quick. Okay, you want to align there, of course. So once the blade is centered, you put back the knobs. And then you want to make the connections, the blue on top and the silver in the bottom. And over here you have the safety latch or roller. You can be turning this all the time. You just gotta understand that when opening it, it's a half moon on the inside, so you just gotta show you what that looks like. That's what it looks like right there. So that's the safety opening latch. All right, and you can close it now. And if you need one of these machines, don't forget to contact CM Machine Services. We're gonna show you how to disconnect the machine from the stand. The same way you disconnect, I'll show you how to connect it. So I just want to explain to you how to insert the machine on the stand and the way the stand is facing and how you will insert on here. As mentioned, this is adjustable, and here are the legs. Okay, so they insert inside there. When inserting and when assembling these legs, when they come out from the package, see the way that the machine is right now on our table. That's the way it looks, and the way you want to insert is the L. Think of it as an L facing that way of the machine. Okay, facing down, and then and here is what it looks like on this side of the machine. And you want to install the legs this way, so that when you put the machine on, you're going to put it that way. Okay, and looking at the manual, of course, and the pictures on our website and how this video first started, you'll see how it's supposed to look like.